Hi guys, hope you are doing well. I'm going to show you how to fly DJI Neo drone with your iPad. So how to do it? Let's see. So first of all, you have to make one or your DJI Neo drone. Make a 3 clicks to open it. Sometimes my DJI drone is stacks. So now it's open. So next what you have to do is make sure you have apps installed on your iPad. Open it and make a connection. There is a connection guide. Click on it. Click on DJI Neo, connect via mobile device. This is a mobile device, so click on it. Maybe it will take a few more seconds to connect your DJI Neo drone with your iPad. So actually this is the time they are actually finding nearby device. It's already showing and now it's started to connect it. So yeah, this interface will open. Got it. Now you are showing that it is showing the skins. So all you have to do, make a manual control, and if you click on take off, then it will start to take off. Isn't it funny? So if I make it forward, it will be forward. Come on, let's see the view. I am making it fly. Maybe it's making some noise, but if I will show you that it can be forwarded. This is a nice weather today. Some moments ago, it was raining. This is Bangladesh, and I am making you a four-side view. How it's feel. Show that drone closely. It's flying. Now back to the camera on my screen. You can fly where you want to. Let's see what I am doing. Make the drone down. Move it. Rotate it. I'm rotating. You are seeing the view. It's urban area. It's the industrial area. The drone is actually very comfortably flying. So what's the matter? It's the big screen, very big screen. Actually I am now flying with my iPad 11 Gen. It's also called iPad A16. So I love to fly this way. This is a very unique way. You can see. Make it come to me. Make it come to me. Make it down. So this is the way. Come on. This is the actual way. Rotate. Isn't it interesting? I hope you enjoy the video very well. If you find this video interesting, so make subscribe on my channel. This is a very unique concept. Maybe I am the first one who is flying DJI Neo drone with the iPad. That's all. Thank you.